Yes, here!
Mom, can I get my new Platinum credit card today?
Sure, honey.
Oh, thanks. I wonder what I'll spend on this time. Only about 30 quid or so, maybe even a grand. Oh well, I have this now.
So I'll meet you in the back in the shed in 10 minutes then, Matthew. Okay, be ready for me.
Mom, I'm gonna go buy moisturizer from town, okay?
Yes, dear.
Hey Daniel, how's it hanging? You have moisturizer at your house, right?
What's this? I've never even been before.
Mom, does my little bum look big in this?
No.
I gotta change then.
Mommy, I think I need to go to the gym today to tone up on this sexy ass. Is that okay?
I guess.
Okay, I'll see you later. Oh, can I just smell you lovely? Thanks, Mom. Love you. Bye. Hey! Hey, dude. How's it going?
Hey James, do you wanna come upstairs and talk with me? If you know what I mean.
Mommy, I think I need to go do some swimming to tone up these muscles in my legs. Okay, I'll see you later then. Hey Ryan, how's it hanging? How's the ass today?
Haley! I need the toilet. Do you want to come on with me? Can you push up a little bit? I'm gonna put a room. Be careful, by the way. I'm kind of on my period. Ollie!
Wait in the back, you have to back with you in a second.
Ollie, where are you? I won't mind you. Ollie, I want you, baby.